All right, well, this is what a whole ass day of fucking around looks like. Clearly, I'm trying to do the wheel bearing, and that's the rotor from the car. That's the rotor from the scrap pile. As you can see, we have tried hammering. Whatever the fuck I was doing with the pipe wrench, I don't know. That was dumb, but you get desperate in these situations. Oh, we got heat over here. Yeah, we've been heating her up. We got the slide hammer. We've been slide hammering the piss out of it. Put another fucking rotor on it. Been smacking the fuck out of that rotor after getting it hot as fuck. Still won't fucking come out of there. It's one of the classic GM 3 bolts, which usually, they take a beating, but they eventually fucking come out. I spent an entire day yesterday on this, and then only to realize I've been a fucking idiot. In my slide hammer kit over here, there it is. I have this bolt double nut thing, and I didn't even think about it. I saw it in there, and I didn't even think about it. But this is what I use to get these fucking hubs out of here when they're stuck. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But basically, you cut a lug, slap it through, turn the rotor to the point where you can bottom a bolt out on something metal. You send that fucker through with this nut, just to hold it, to sandwich it or whatever. And then this nut to fucking send it into the thing, and it pops them out every fucking time. I'm sitting here last night after spending all day with this bullshit, and my girlfriend goes, "Oh, what about that bolt thing that you made?" And I'm like, "What are you talking about? I completely fucking forgot about this thing. I saw it in here yesterday." And I'm like, what the hell is that bolt doing in there? But yeah, so here's your wheel hub assembly removal tool, and I'll show you exactly how I use it, if I can even use it. I think I'll have to take the parking brake off at the bare minimum on this thing, but yeah, we're gonna get that fucker off today. Okay, I had to disconnect a little bit of the parking brake, but we should have enough room here now. This is where I've been heating it up real good, so I'm gonna take this stud, we're gonna chop her right here, pound the rest of it out, and we're gonna run that bolt right into there. I'll show you. Quick change of plans. There's actually nothing solid to push on back here. This is just the shield. But if you take the brakes completely off, this is all nice and solid mounted to the back of the knuckle here. So we're gonna take this stud out and we're gonna push against this, what I would imagine is just the other end of this bolt stud here. And yeah, that should work, hopefully, for fuck's sake. All right. Stud is cut and removed, and we're going to throw this bolt in there. I'll show you how. I didn't have enough room for the jam nut. That's usually for the bigger trucks, so we're not using that. But thread your nut on the back side here. We're going to put a wrench on that, and we're just going to send this in until we put a good amount of tension on that. I'm going to go back to heating this up. We'll probably put a little bit more tension on that, and then a couple of whacks should get that right off of there. All right, so just started the bolt with the impact here, and I don't know if you can already see. It's already pulling away. So I don't really have anywhere to put my phone to show you, but basically I'm gonna give her a couple of smacks. I'm gonna tighten that up a little bit more, and it should either pop out while I'm tightening that, or if I give it another smack. Here we go. Yep, few more taps, couple of cranky cranks, and we're out. Thanks, Bolt.